Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin for March 2021. I have already done an unboxing and demonstration of all of the both of the card designs that's in here. And I'm going to be doing my first attempt at an alternate. I haven't prepped. I haven't any idea. I just have a piece of basic white cardstock and the stamps I wanted to use. I was inspired by just looking at the stamp set. So I'm going to go ahead and get started really quick. I just need to get my, what is this called? Blender pen, because I'm going to be using that. So I have some Old Olive ink here. I think I might need to, we're going to just go. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to ink the floral image in here. It's floral greenery, and I'm going to use my blender pen. Just take this tissue paper that came in the kit, and I'm just taking the ink off of the flowers, where the flowers would be. And just cleaning the brush tip off on the tissue paper. So I'm assuming these are flowers. They could just be leaves. I don't know. But I am going to make them flowers. I'm sure there might be an easier way to do this, but this is the way that I know how. So this is the way I'm going to do it. Okay, so make sure I get all that green off of my blender pen. We're going to take a Calypso Coral Stampin' Right marker, and we're going to color in that color where all the flowers that we just cleaned off. I think I took some of the Old Olive off where I wasn't supposed to. So let me get my Old Olive marker so I can fix that. Right here, this is part of the leaf. So we're just gonna fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna huff on this. And we're gonna stamp it down right here. Oh, that's pretty. See, I missed a flower in part of that one, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna just clean this off and do it again. And do it again. Oh, the one I colored back green was one. I just didn't do it fully, so I thought it was a leaf. I thought it was part of the vines that were going up alongside of it. I think that's good. Let's huff and try to line it up. Let me pull this closer to me so I can see. Sorry if I get in the way. We're gonna stamp that there. Okay, and then we're gonna take our solid image. You guys know what? I need to be stamping on my little mat here, especially with this solid image, my Stampin' Pierce mat. We're gonna take the little trees here, and we're gonna stamp those right here. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And we're going to get Let's see. What color do we want? What colors go with this kit? Pretty Peacock. Let's do Pretty Peacock. Okay. I have the Pretty Peacock here. We're going to stamp 2 sentiments. I have one, let me do the longer one rather, not necessarily bigger. I have one that goes right at the bottom. One here at the top. About right here. Okay. And then we have one more image to stamp. And I think I'm going to do that in Calypso Coral. So let's get that ink. And it's the birds. I like these little birds. They're just little lines like, but they're cute. And I'm going to put that right here. And that is our main image for our card. Okay. So now, let's see. Get rid of this. What do we want to use? Let's open up our kit. I think I want to use one of the envelope liners to go in the background of this. Whoops, has to go this way. So we're going to cut this down. So this is cut right now at 3.5 by 4 3/4. So I want to take a little bit off the bottom. And some off the top. Okay, so let me see. Let me see what length did I just cut this at? Let's put a little bit more off the bottom and make this 3 1/4. Right, yeah, 3 1/4, and that's by 3 1/2. Okay, so we're gonna have that, and then we're going to frame this in Calypso Coral, and I think, let me see, do we want to do it in Calypso Coral or the Petal Pink? Let's look in our kit. I think I'm going to do it in the Petal Pink, and I'm going to use this. So if that's 3 1/2, we want it to go to 3 3/4 by 3 1/2, because the other side is 3 1/4. And this will be our mat. Not sure about this yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue that together. Get this stuck down. You guys, I'm coming up with this card like right now. I've never done this before. Okay. So next we are going to need a card base, and I'm thinking Old Olive. Or maybe it should be Pretty Peacock because of, yes, let's just use the base that comes in the kit. That way we don't have to cut any paper right now. Where's my, excuse my reach, foam folder. Okay. So this, or do we want it this way? I think I want it this way. And we'll just have a piece of this coming down this way maybe. Like that? Yes, let's do that. So I think I'm just gonna cut, let's see. about 1.5 inches. And it's going to be by 4. Well, actually, we don't even need to cut it. We'll cut it down with the scissors to make sure we get it exactly right. So we'll just put this here like this, and then just have that there. How about let's move it over a little bit, give it a little border. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. I am gonna cut this because I'm seeing right here at the where it's starting to bend over. I need to. So we're gonna cut this at 4 inches. 4 inches. And let's go ahead and glue this down. Put this on the base of the card. Make sure your flowers are going in the right direction. So it's going to have a little border at the top and the bottom. Let me get this straight to make sure. Come over a little bit, please. I'm trying to line it up with that right there. Then we'll just glue this down flat. Right here like that. Give it a little even border. And that is our first alternate card. Yay! I like that. Isn't it pretty? Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.